Hello, my group is presenting for Recycling Advisor Expert System. The aim of this system is it will assist users in classifying waste, promoting sustainable waste management aligned with SDG 11. The target users for this expert system are the local residents and community workers. This system will provide advice on sorting waste into recyclable, compost, hazardous, and general waste categories. However, there are few scope and limitations for this expert system, such as it will only work for common household items, it requires correct user input, and it will ask many questions so that the system able to categorize the waste to be composed. And there are 7 components for this expert system for system design. First is user interface, and the user will prompt to enter the item. And we have the inference engine, we use Experta knowledge engine, and we have the knowledge base, we use rules about the categories, and we have the categories of waste, and the answer will shown in graphical user interface. The output is it will suggest user for the recommendations.
Hello, my name is Mia Alexandra binti Sri, and I will be presenting about the knowledge-based structure and reasoning method. So in this project, we use the rule-based system to identify recyclable waste, compost waste, hazardous waste, and general waste. So let's say recyclable waste such as cardboard, glass, plastic, and so on. So compost waste can be classified as biodegradable or food waste that can degrade over time, and hazardous waste such as chemical, electronic devices, or medical waste. General waste, we can classify it as anything that does not apply to the other waste, and waste that is contaminated, such as contaminated food packaging. For example, the rules created in this system: if item is made of plastic and is clean, then rinse plastic containers and place in orange recycling bin. So for our reasoning method, our recycling advisor expert system uses forward chaining. This means that the system asks questions in order, then for the implementation process and the tools used. Our project, we use Python as the language, and for the IDE, we use PyCharm. The libraries that we use in this project are Experta and Tinker. Experta is the library which is a built rule-based expert system that is inspired by Clips, and Tinker is for the GUI used in this project. So as you can see from the slide, knowledge-based if-then rules are represented with if-else in Python. The rules we created are like if something then. In Python, we write it as if and else.
Testing methodology and result. For testing part, we have prepared some sample item. This is one of the sample, which is AAA battery, and it has facts that it is dry, metal, and it is battery. So we apply the forward chaining on the facts to get result. So this fact battery trigger rule 12, and then rule 12 is if item is a battery or power cell, then return batteries to special collection bins. So the result is battery is a hazardous waste, and we must return batteries to special collection bins. Then after that, we input same item name and same facts to the system, and we get the result. We get the same result as this. Battery is a hazardous waste, then we must return it to special collection bins. And then we repeat this on different sample items, and the system is accurate if both results are same for all the items.
The next is critical evaluation of system performance. Okay, first one is incorrect user input. So a single mistake can cause misclassification. If we choose the wrong answer for the question, the expert system asks, it will make the wrong result. The another main issue is too many questions because our system got a lot of questions to classify the item. Okay, the next one is system demonstration. Okay, this is the system demonstration. So I will show you the program. Okay, so this one is our program. So as we can see that if we type a item like a paper, okay, so it would ask us many questions. Okay, so this show us the result. How about the thing that couldn't recycle? Like, okay, so this show us the result, which is hazardous waste electronic device. Okay, thank you. That's all from us.